So this is the brand new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, a smartphone gimbal that is rivaling the DJI Osmo 7P. So YouTube is flooded with videos about it. I mean, every video has praised it intensively and saying that it is the best mobile gimbal ever. So I bought this gimbal with my own money due to all that hype, and let's see if it is actually that good or not. So let's start this video with some quick unboxing, shall we? So this is the box that you will get once you order the creator kit. There are 4 to 5 different versions available, and the first thing I observed is that you'll get easily confused by these. So be cautious and look through every information before ordering one. I myself ordered it thinking that I'm going to get an AI tracker inside in it, but ended up with this spotlight thing which is of no use at all. So according to the website, the tracker is sold separately, and also there is another version apparently which has tracker included. And by the way, they just looks the same. Kudos to Insta360 and Flipkart for making a fool out of me by not giving the inside box information clearly. So moving on, when you open this box, you are going to get this package. This package has all the manuals, magnetic mount, carry-on pouch, and the spotlight. So once you get past all these accessories, you'll get the gimbal itself wrapped in this plastic cover along with these clips as well. So these are for non-magnetic smartphones, basically for all the Android smartphones. This gimbal is available in 2 colors, white and grey version. This one is a grey version. I ordered this because the white version scared the hell out of me. I simply can't handle that much white. So this just cost me around 13,500 rupees. So let's find out if it is actually worth it. So after around 2 days of usage, here I am thinking to return it. So I don't want to lag this video by going long. So here are the reasons why. Number 1, don't believe all those fancy reviews on YouTube. This ain't no good for Android users. This gimbal is fully made for Apple users. It has MagSafe for easy locking, native camera tracking, Apple Docket support, and you don't even need that AI tracker which is going out for like 5,000 rupees separately. What does the Android users get? This lousy phone clip. Even the tracking is not that great in Android phones. So if you are an Android user and you're still thinking to get this, you'll definitely need that AI tracker. But if you want a good gimbal like this and you are an Android user, there is another product called Hohem V3 Ultra. This is the best choice for Android users. It has every possible feature I said before, and it comes with the tracker inside. Number 2, it has a big learning curve. These buttons and controls are just literal nightmares, at least for me. You can't just go run and gun with these when you unbox it. Here's a learning curve for them. 1 click, it goes change orientation. 2 clicks on the same button starts FPV. 3 clicks on the same button, it goes to sleep. 4 clicks to change the modes. I mean, like who will remember all that? So yeah, those are my no-nos. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more honest tech reviews like these.